One of the most common questions an injury client asks is, what about my future? How can you recover money for things that haven't happened yet? Keep watching and we'll explain.
Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
Today on Legally Speaking, we're talking about future damages in injury claims. Cyndi, what are future damages and how do you prove them?
It is one of the trickiest parts of a personal injury claim to establish how an injury is going to impact a person's future. It can be pretty obvious that there's going to be impact, like if you have someone who has a catastrophic injury, like a brain injury or a spinal cord injury, we know that they might need a lifetime of medical care, and also that their ability to earn money is going to be impacted. We get our clients compensated for those types of losses by using qualified experts who can testify what the likely future holds and what that's likely to cost. So for the medical care, those are usually doctors, either the treating doctors, or we have experts we work with who are rehabilitation or disability experts, or nurse teams who set up life care plans to estimate the needs and costs of a lifetime of care. We also work with vocational experts. So these are people trained to study jobs and how injuries impact jobs, and they can estimate what you might have made if you weren't injured versus where you're left after your injury.
Do you make claims for future damages in cases where injuries are not so catastrophic?
Sure, all the time. For example, if I have a client with a badly broken wrist, that doctor might testify that while they're doing okay right now, they're almost certainly going to have arthritis in the future. And then depending on what they do for a living, a vocational expert might say, hey, that's going to shorten the number of years they're able to work. Another common example is a joint replacement. If a younger person has a joint replacement, a doctor might testify that that's only going to last so long, so they're likely to need a second surgery. So we'll have those costs and that time off work to consider. I think in every type of case, it's worth considering whether there's a way that this injury is likely to impact your client's future.
Thank you, Cyndi. Join us next time for Legally Speaking.